Okay guys, we can see now. Welcome to my own channel, the AIM Trader. Okay, what I have previously told you, if it comes down and taken support here, you can see that it is taken support. Your first target will be this. It just touches our target, first target, and comes down. Okay, because here is very much dominating is sellers. So what happened here? Only sellers is coming. Okay, you can see that in this area, seller is very much dominated. Okay, in previous day. Today also what happened, it opens gap down slightly, then come up. Then what happened here, sellers come, one pullback is come here. So whenever pullback come, it sharply goes down, this crosses. Okay, you have to take here trade. This will goes up till here. Okay, this is achieved our first target too. You can see that this is our first target and this is second target. This second target also we have achieved. Okay, now you can see that it continuously consolidated. Then what happened, it is buyers is taking it upside, but what happened, once again seller come and taken it down. Okay, we can see in Nasdaq, I have told you very big gap up is pending to fill it. So you can see that here is a very big gap up. You can see my previous video also. Okay, this is the one of the trend line. Okay, you can see here, this is the one of the trend line. If it crosses, you have to buy up till here and your target will be here. So you have not seen my trend line and resistance, support and resistance video. I will give that link in description. You can go and check out that link. Okay, you can see that I have told you this gap is still not filled. So what happened, it filled its gap. Okay, now this gap is pending. What happened, this gap also filled within today or tomorrow. Okay, we can see that. If you have seen that from here, what I have done here is one of the resistance area. So I have just shifted this line, this supporting area. You can see that whenever this is crossed, you have got at least 1:2 risk to reward. Okay, we can see next index SPX. Okay, you can see that what happened, it opening gap down, buyer comes, then seller is dominated. So what happened, you can see that what happened here is seller is dominated. So what happened, it come down, taken resistance. You can see that it is taken here only resistance, it come down. What our target is this. We have successfully achieved our first target. Okay, our first target will be successfully achieved also. Okay, your one trade is there, so you have successfully achieved this target. Okay, we can see next until this, you can see that up till here only it taken resistance once again and come down. Okay, we can see next index BKX. Okay, Nasdaq Bank Index. You can see that I have told you this is the one of the trend line, major trend line. However, this will break, you can surely go for your first target, second target and third target. You can see that we have drawn this as a resistance. Exactly from here it turned down, and you can at least take two trade here. You can go for buying from here to here, and however it taken a resistance, you have to go for up till here first resistance. So you can take two trades. So you have got very nice profit in BKX, Nasdaq Bank Index. It is very nicely what I have told you. This is the trend line. If it will break your first target, second target and third target, it is successfully, you have got two trades, and you have got 1:, at least 1:4 here, and here 1:3. Okay, now we can see next HGX housing sector. Okay, what we have seen that if it will break this trend line, it surely go from here. Okay, what happened, gaps down, one of the major gap down yesterday we have seen. Okay, yesterday we have seen major gap down. Okay, so what happened is that it buyer is not interested to take up, so sellers come here and taken down, and continuously consolidate and closed. Okay, now next index is gold and silver. Okay, you can see that what I have told you, if it will come down, okay, it taken here resistance, your first target will be this. Okay, you have achieved successfully first target, but what happened is it will take a time. You have taken first here resistance, you have booked somewhere here, your first target will be successfully uh, successfully achieved. In this also you have seen that exactly here is a resistance area, this is your second trade. Two trade is successfully you have achieved, I think so. Okay, now we can see in SOX, you can see that exactly from here what I have told you, resistance, this is the resistance area. Exactly from here you have to just within a how much here up till here you have to ascend 318 uh, 318, and you have to buy sell the future from 3811, and your stop loss will be 308 3821 within $10. Okay, your target will be second target up till we can see that. Okay, you have successfully achieved at least $40. Okay, 1:4 risk to reward ratio. You have seen that from here only it turns around and come down. Okay, now we can see in Russell 3000. Okay, you can see that it come down once again. However, this will crossed. Okay, our first target will be this and second target will be this, but what happened, it is majorly big candle it has been formed, so it comes down and consolidate. This is our no trading day, because you can see that this is the whole thing is we cannot see can take any trade from here. Okay, you can see that this is not tradable on yesterday. Okay, in Tesla also what I have told you is that if it will take resistance from here, okay, it taken resistance, come down up till here, then buyers is dominated. Okay, you have seen price action also. This is make W pattern and it crosses whenever W pattern, you can know that it is go very nicely moved. So this make very nice move. Okay, in Apple we have successfully achieved this target also, slightly just below the our target, but you have partially booked, so you have achieved this target also. Okay, in Microsoft it is a big gap down and it come down only. Okay, in Amazon there is no trade. Okay, now we can see for tomorrow how we can trade today all index. Okay, so now we can see how uh, Dow Jones will Dow Jones Industrial Average will move today. Okay, this is the one of the resistance supporting area now. Okay, now we can see that this is our first target what we have discussed yesterday, and our second target will be from here to once again here. Okay, this is our second target. Okay, in downside if it comes down and taken resistance, your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, and next if it open gap up or flat, it comes up, then it takes support here, your first target, second target and your third target. These three target you can achieve easily. Okay, in Nasdaq also you can see that it is acting as a support, so we cannot do anything, we just extend this. Okay, this extend line, then it opens flat, then what you can see that if it touch here and come down, then you can easily achieve your first target, second target and your third target. This three target, if it open a slightly gap up, okay, slightly gap up, then it comes and taken here supports, then it your first target will be this, second target and third target. This is your three target in upside. Okay, also you can see that this is resistance. If it take a resistance, you can also achieve this first target also. Okay, you have to keep this, you have to patiently uh, come in this market and have to see all charts, how trade, how index behave. You have to see and you have to observe this, then only you know that how will momentum will do in index. Okay, you also trade. Trading is not like a pro players only do trading, or a bigger who have more money you can do trading. No, if you have skills, you can got anywhere a job, like a proprietary index like this you can apply. If you show them your skills, they will take you. Okay, now we can see in SPX. Now if it will act as, now it will come and take support here. Your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, this two target. You also see here, this is acting as a resistance, so it will cross, then only take for second target. Okay, and this area will act as a resistance, support, sorry, this will, in this area will act as a supporting area now. Okay, now we can see in next index BKX. You can see that what we have told yesterday, we have achieved three target, and here only taken resistance once again, and you have also taken here once again put, so you have got very nice move here. Okay, now we can see that if it will open flat, then your first target will be this and second target will be here only. Okay, this is two target. If it open flat and come down, then it takes once again resistance from here, you can go for your first target. Okay, this is the BKX Nasdaq Banking Index. You can go for it. Okay, now we can also see here, you can see that here is one of the supporting areas. Okay, here only it closed, so what we can do is, if it opens once again flat, okay, flat open, take a support, then you can easily achieve your first target, and this is your second target and third target. You can maximally achieve your here second target. You have to full book, because this is the acting as a resistance, because here is very much seller is dominated, that's why. Okay, in downside also you can see that you can easily achieve in downside. This is the you have taken here resistance if index, then you can easily achieve first target, and this is your second target. Okay, in AUX gold and silver, you can see that here you have taken trade. Your first trade is here, second trade also, this is the second trade which you have taken, so you have achieved also very nice move. Okay, now we can see what will happen. It is acting as a resistance, so we kept it as a resistance area, and this is acting as a supporting area. Okay, you can see that if it opens flat or something, then you can easily achieve your first target, and it crosses, your second target will be this and your third target will be this. This is the three targets in upside for gold and silver sector index. And if it opens flat, okay, then it comes down and taking resistance from here. Your first target will be here and second target will be here. This is the two target. Okay, now we can see in SOX, we have seen that what I have told you exactly from here only. You have to just put $10 SL, and you have got 1:4 easily. Okay, now we can see that what happened is, if it open flat, okay, it open flat, then you can easily take here a support. First target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, In downside you can see also that if it flat open, then your first target will be this and second target will be this. Okay, because it acting here as a supporting area. Now we can see that this is the index Russell 3000. Okay, this is acting as a supporting area from here to up till here. Okay, and it taken a support and going up. So what we can see that if it open flat, the first target and this is your second target. Okay, you can go for third target too. Okay, third target. Now in downside also we can see where we can achieve. Okay, if it taken a downside move, it taken resistance, you can actually go for this target and second target will be this. Okay, in Tesla you can see that in Tesla we can go for 30 minutes time frame. Okay, in 30 minutes time frame it is taking resistance, because here you can see that it is a resistance area, one of the major. So we can see that if this area, okay, this trend line will be crossed, you can surely go for from here to here your first target, this is your second target, this is your third target. Okay, if it will once again come down taking resistance from here, you can surely go for your first target will be this. Okay, in Apple you can see that up till here only, in slightly it taken support and goes up. Then we can see that if it is opening in pre-market from here, it comes and fall here, you can surely go for your first target. If it opening here only, then you can surely go for upside, this is your first target. Okay, now in Microsoft we can see that this is acting as a supporting area now. Okay, now we can see that if what happen, if it come down taking support, your first target will be this, second target surely you can go. If it taken resistance, then you can take it downside, take here resistance, your first target and second target. Okay, this is all. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Hope you like my video. Please share with your friends and family whoever wanted to become a trader, and please do practice from a previous whatever the charts, index charts, stock charts, you have practiced so many support and resistance area, patterns, candlesticks and trend line, so you can know that how index will work, and you can surely make very good money in stock market. So that's all. Thank you.